Okay, question 9. A large circular table has 40 chairs around it. What is the smallest number of people who can be sitting at a table already such that the next person to sit down must sit next to someone? Okay, so we got to imagine that there's some, selfish people, all right? Some greedy guy. Okay, once he sits down, then the 2 adjacent seats are occupied as well, right? Okay, so let's draw sort of a seat map, okay? Now, I'm not going to draw a circular table, okay? Just imagine the 40th chair is connected to the first chair, all right? Because it's easier for me to draw this. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, so blah, blah, okay? Until 37, 38, 39, 40, okay? And 40 is connected to 1, all right? Implied. Cool. Okay, so now, if I have to be greedy, then let's say I sit at chair 2, right? Because if I sit at chair 2, then the chairs 1, 2, 3 are all out of the equation, right? Okay, so where should the next guy sit? Well, the next guy should sit at 5, right? Because then 4, 5, 6 are out of the equation. And that's what I like to see, right? I want to just take away all the seats as quick as possible. So now you realize that what I should do is that everyone, okay, the people, should sit at the seat numbers which have a remainder 2 when divided by 3, right? You go 2, 5, 8, right? Because if you sit at seat 8, that takes away 7, 8, 9, right? Cool. So at the end, what happens? Well, then people should sit at 38, right? Okay, once you sit at 38, then the chairs 1 to 39 are all gone. So the last person can only sit at 40, right? Because there's no 41, right? So this guy can sit at 40. Now, every single chair, right, is occupied. So the next guy who sits down has to stick to someone, right? Has to stick to someone. Good. Okay, so how many people have sit down so far? So let's do this. So we have 2, 5, blah, blah, until 38. This is just an arithmetic sequence. And then we have the 40 as well. Right, good. Okay, so there are 13 people here, right? Because 39 divided by 3 is just 13. And then plus 1 guy, all right, which is the 40 guy. So final answer would be 14, right? 14 people sat down and no one can sit down anymore, right? Good. So this question was asking the smallest number of people, right? What if I change the question to, the largest number of people? Well, then the people should sit every other chair, right? So if you sit at number 2, then the next guy should sit at number 4, right? You should try to pack yourselves as close as possible, right? So therefore, final answer will be 40 divided by 2, which is 20, right? If you want the largest number of people sitting at the table, all right? So they have 20 as an option as well. Maybe that's a trap.